My, I bet you thought this day would never come. Here it is, the last week. And boy, this one's a doozy. I'm not going to lie to you. We talked about it before. And, first of all, check out the lecture and discussion board. But this jack is kind of jacked. So, obviously in AutoCAD, you can't make a true assembly, but the book did cover that, like making, I guess you would call it close enough to an assembly. You're having bodies and you can move them and put them together. And that's more or less what you're going to do here. In the past, this has been like a project in Inventor, but I figured we'd give it a try in a different program because, it's a really cool assembly. And a lot of times it doesn't make the portfolio, but if you have it in AutoCAD 3D, these people are going to think you're a wizard. This is as you know by now, AutoCAD 3D is not that enjoyable. So when somebody sees you can make something like this, they're going to crap themselves. So really put the time in because this is going to be a great portfolio piece for you. And basically what you've got, you haven't had an assemblies class yet, but you've got a multi-page thing here. And you can look at it in the book too. I just put these pictures here for convenience. It is on page 491. But basically, you've got an exploded view given to you, and it shows kind of what it looks like when it's open and when it's fully closed. I would say, go for something that looks pretty decent positioning-wise and whatever you can get to work, honestly. Probably something similar to this would be ideal. But you're going to model these parts, and, you've got everything you need here. They're all pretty basic. The hardest part, obviously, is the top and the base. And, yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. You're going to do the same concept as you have with the past few labs and just do a good set of details on it. And, if you need anything, just let me know. And if not, good luck to you. And I'm hoping to see y'all next semester. All right, take it easy.